What is good, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is a small video, a little video. So I have a problem, a serious problem. We have a mole problem. You know why? Because they are doing construction on the field. So now it's bulldozing and everything, and construction. So now all these moles, they're coming into my property. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, so I'm outside now. So this is how. So this is the problem that I have. I've been having this mole problem now for quite a while. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. So as you guys can see, there's one hole here. Okay, where they came out. There's another one over there. There's one there. Okay, let me take you guys to the back. So they were here as well. Let me take you guys to the back. And I do apologize for my yard that is so dirty. The garage is long because it was winter. You clean the yard. Okay, here it is again. You see here the moles all over. Okay, mole holes where they came out there, and there's one also. Okay, so this is my backyard. Okay, sorry for how it looks. Oh yeah, another problem. Why is it that there is snails on the wall? Snails on the wall. Can someone please explain to me that as well? Okay. So I want to know from you guys, how can I solve this mole problem? Is there anything I can use? Okay, any expert out there that can help me? I foresee that this mole is becoming, because every time, you know, um, I flatten the holes, and then I just when I look again, then this guy just reappear. Okay, so please, guys, I want to know what can I do. If there's anybody out there that knows what to do, please comment below. If you guys have any similar experience, please comment below. Please like this video. Please share this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys for more. Peace.